The BMW 7 Series, a name synonymous with luxury, performance, and relentless innovation. Since its inception in 1977, the 7 Series has consistently pushed the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. Each generation has introduced groundbreaking features and set new benchmarks for the entire industry. From the first generation E23 to the third generation E38, the 7 Series has always been a leader. The E32, launched in 1986, was a technological tour de force, becoming the first European car to offer a built-in navigation system. The 2024 BMW 7 Series is the culmination of this legacy, blending cutting-edge technology with breathtaking design, exhilarating performance, and unparalleled comfort. The 2024 7 Series is more than just a car, it's a bold statement. The 2024 BMW 7 Series marks a new chapter in the illustrious history of this iconic model. It's a car that redefines what it means to be a flagship luxury sedan, seamlessly blending opulence, performance, and innovation. One of the most notable changes is the introduction of the highly anticipated 750 EX-drive plug-in hybrid. This electrified variant promises impressive performance and remarkable fuel efficiency. With a combined output of 483 horsepower, the 750 EX-drive can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.8 seconds. The 2024 7 Series also sees the popular 740i model gain the option of all-wheel drive. Inside, the 2024 7 Series features the latest iteration of BMW's iDrive infotainment system, now upgraded to version 8.5. The 2024 7 Series is more than just a car, it's an experience.